I was teeth taken out of my mouth, and they gave me this thing. It makes my mouth smaller, and I got hiccups.
Yeah.
It's made me sad.
Babe.
What?
Are you crying?
No, I'm just ugly.
It's what?
I'm just ugly.
You're not ugly. You're handsome.
I'm not handsome. Handsome don't have holes in their mouth.
Did it hurt?
No, I didn't feel anything.
Nothing?
Not one thing.
Do you remember what the doctor told you?
How long has it been?
It's been about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Since you went in the lobby?
No, we sat in the lobby for about 15.
And then you come back and got you?
Mm-hmm.
Weird to see me?
Sing to you?
Was it weird to see me?
No, but you were trying to fall asleep.
Yeah.
You want to go home?
Yeah.
You want to say hi to Daniel?
Hi, Daniel.
Alright. He's coming today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, look.